If you look at all the big names in tech, like Microsoft, Google, and various others, you will see artificial intelligence everywhere. But that was not the case at Apple until now. Just recently, Apple has become the first $3 trillion company in the world, which is a huge achievement. And now Apple is also foraying into artificial intelligence. I just went to the career site at Apple and filtered it on the left hand side on machine learning and AI, and you can see that there are a lot and lot of jobs, more than 100 on this page alone, and all of them are related to something artificial intelligence product. So not only if you are looking into get into Apple, or if you are an AI enthusiast and want to work at Apple in AI, maybe this is a good chance for you. But more than that, I think this is telling us that now Apple is becoming very serious about artificial intelligence. Apple CEO Tim Cook has already done a lot for Apple, such as releasing Apple Watch, Apple TVs Plus subscriptions, also Apple's M1 chips, and lot of other things. Now he is going big in AI, as I mean, all these job opportunities at Apple tells you that, because this is Apple's next big thing in the computing. Apple's devices are already the primary human interfaces for driving productivity, with all the AI assistants and applications being developed. This actually means Apple will continue to be the interface point to create more value for users. And all of these iPads, iPhones, MacBooks, watches, AirPods, and also, of course, the Vision Pro, I think they're all going to support and enhance Apple's AI offerings very soon. And I believe that Apple is not just going to be a human interface through these devices. I think it is going to offer something very unique in terms of AI. So stay tuned, and as soon as Apple releases something in AI, I'm going to show you that in this channel. Thank you very much.